Hello everyone, welcome back to my page, my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious cucumber salad. So let's get started. Here I have red apple. You can use any apple of your choice. I have red onions. I have cucumber, 2 fresh tomatoes. That is optional. I have 1 carrot. I have cheese and some eggs, cooked egg. You can add in any amount that you prefer. Next, I went ahead to prep all the fruits. I washed them thoroughly off camera. Once I'm done, I started cutting them. Once that is done, I will set them aside. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this page, this video, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. And we are done with the prepping. Look at how it looks. So the next, I'm going to prepare the dressing for the salad. In here, I'm going to add in my plain yogurt. Next, I will add in the mayonnaise. Next, I will add in the lemon juice. Next, I added in the mustard paste. Next, I added the black pepper, dill specks, some salt to taste, honey. Now I went ahead to whisk until everything is well combined. Once I'm done with that, I set it aside. Now look at how the salad dressing looks. So I'm going to pour everything in there, mix to combine. At this point, I added in the egg. I added it last because I don't want the egg to pieces inside the salad. And now everything is properly combined and our salad is ready. It is ready to be served, guys. Always remember, health is wealth. Eating healthy is the best medicine that you can give to your body. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.